Hey, welcome to another Will's Beers Reviews with me, your host, Will. As you can see, we have a whole new set. It's professional now. Book. Earphone. This has blinking lights. That. And now I'm gonna review. This is the first review in the new set and the professional set, and this is the Bluprint by Birds Fly South. The Bluprint by Birds Fly South. I already poured it into this glass. Okay. This is a beer, for sure. This is a beer. It smells like an uncle's closet. It smells kind of like cabinet. Kind of smells like bathroom with door closed. What does it taste like, you might say? This beer tastes like going to sleep on a pillow and then waking up to a new day and saying, I think it's going to be a good day for once. You know? Thanks, Bluprint by the Bluprint by Virgins Fly South, Virgin Airlines. But thank you, Bluprint by the Bluprint. You have made it so that I can successfully have a good day. Now, how would I rate that? Let me take one more sip. 4 stars out of 16.